Hey! Okay, so I'm Krafty Cat and I would like to show you how to make fluffy slime, and I'm going to be making it pink with pink glitter. So let's get started. So first you're going to need white glue. You're going to pour however much you want. I'm going to make a not too big slime because I don't want to use all of my glue. And then you're going to need something to stir it with. So I'm going to take my trusty little spoon right here, and then you're going to take your food dye, whichever food coloring you need. So then you're just going to stir that, and then you just do this, you stir it, make it like a hot pinkish thing. Then you're going to add some water, and this is optional, but this actually makes it stretchy. It might look gross, but that's okay. I'm only adding this much. So since I'm making a fluffy slime, I'm going to be using this shaving cream. It's this brand, and it's in Pacific Rush, which smells really good. And this is a really, like, you just want to eyeball it because you can make it however much foam you want. I'm making a very medium foam. It's really pretty because it makes like a marble look. So for my activator, I'm gonna look. It's this other gallon glue, but it's actually borax water. How you make borax solution is you take water and then you use borax. You can put however much you want in it. So then you're just going to add that in slowly. Don't add it all at once because then it might ruin the consistency. See how it's coming together? See it again. So you're going to keep on stirring that until it gets to however thick you want. Make sure not to over-activate it, because if it's over-activated, then you won't be able to stretch it. No. So, if you have regular food dye like me, if you just have the primary colors, like if you normally get them, red, blue, yellow, and green, then you're going to have to mix colors to get whatever color you want. Make sure if you're mixing the colors, you don't put all the colors because that'll make it brown, and you don't want that. So as you can see, it's starting to come off the bowl. That's good. That means that's a good sign. Once it starts coming off the bowl, that means it's almost ready. So yes, it's almost ready. And let's see, I can start getting in with my hands. So I'm just gonna add a little bit more. Once it starts coming off, you're gonna add just a little bit more to make sure that it doesn't stick to your hands, so you can actually play with it without having problems. So you're just gonna start kneading it. This part gets a little. So kneading is when you mix it together, and mixing it together, and it comes together easily like this. So since I still have some more borax in here, I'm just gonna, there we go. See how it's coming together and not sticking to my hands as much? That's a good sign. And this is almost ready. So now that I kneaded it, it's now forming, so now it's not as sticky, because see, my hands. So now you can see, and now I can play with it. Look at it. Not too close. Wait, back up. Oh, you know what this could actually make a really good swirl. Alrighty, thank you for watching my how to make, actually wait, I think we forgot a very important ingredient, the glitter. You can actually add this in first, or you can add it in last. I like adding it in last so I can see it coming. So now that I've added in the glitter, now you can see it. You know what? I'm actually going to name this strawberry. Because doesn't that look like a strawberry?
Yeah.
So thank you for watching my how to make a fluffy glitter slime. I hope you liked it. Please subscribe and bye bye.